Okay, welcome to 10 minutes on 7.5 vocab notes and extra practice. The vocab here you can actually find in previous sections. Those are the sections right there, 7.1, 7.2, 7.4. I listed page numbers for the book, or you can look them up in the other journals. These are terms you should be getting familiar with. If you are not, do need to get familiar with those. I don't know why that shifted off to the side. Just getting rid of something. Too slow today. The examples are really the way to learn this. The key thought here, A. In front of this, we always have a 1. This A term is always 1 right there. That's one of the things we're looking at. This is a little memory thing over here. We talk about A times C. You'll see that later. A is 1, so A times C, it always just comes out to C right here and B. So we need to multiply to C, sum to B, or add to B. That's a plus sign, believe it or not. And that's what you see me doing on the examples here. I need to multiply to 8, sum to 9. So I'm looking for numbers that do that. And as you get better with your signs, you can eliminate some of these. I know right away this is going to be positive. So I got to multiply to 8, sum to 9. It's either 2 negatives or 2 positives. Got to be positive. But we come over here. For some reason I didn't circle it, but the one that we got is right up top here. 1 times 8 is 9. It's everything that multiplies to 8. Only one of them adds up to 9. X plus 1, x plus 8. Notice I used the positive 1 to positive 8. The check down here is me multiplying it out, just seeing it come back to x squared plus 9x plus 8. Same thing over here. Multiply to 24. These numbers I really don't know in there yet. Multiply to 24, add to negative 14. Again, I know this one's going to be double negatives, because to multiply to a positive, sum to a negative, it's got to be 2 negative. Everything that multiplies to 24, negative 2 times negative 12 sums to negative 14. That's where those negative numbers came from before that we had up here. X minus 2, x minus 12, the minus 2 minus 12. Multiply it out. You can see it comes out to the top. This is a check. The answer is circle. Same sort of thing down here, except I have a negative, and notice I only need 1 positive, 1 negative. Notice positive 1, negative 30, negative 1, positive 30, negative 29, positive 29. You get a sign off, just a sign away. Okay, so watch these examples here. Pay attention to this. I didn't write out the answers, so 2 comma negative 3 means I get x plus 2, x minus 3, which would be the same as x minus 3, x plus 2. I'm not using the letters in the answers because it's too much of a dead giveaway what the answers are. So number 2 here, I need to multiply to 64. That's my C term. When I think x squared plus bx plus c, c is 64, b is 16, I need to sum to 16. So I need to find 2 numbers that multiply to 64, sum to 16. If you don't know them, start listing them out. 64. Positive here, that's going to be positive. I can't multiply to a positive and sum to a negative with positive numbers. So 1 times 64, 2 times 32, 3 doesn't go into 64. 4 times 16, notice double the 2, half 32, 5 doesn't work, 6 doesn't work, because 3 doesn't go in, 7 doesn't go in, and I have 8 times 8. My sums here, 65, 34, 20, oh, there's my 16, that's the one that I need. So this is going to be x plus 8, x plus 8, or I could also write that, whoops, not really, x plus 8 squared would be another way. I can check it out here. do my FOIL. X times x is x squared. Outer terms is 8x. Inner terms is 8x. 8 times 8 are my last terms. That's 64. X squared, 8x and 8x is 16x. Plus 64, it checks out. There's my answer, or there's my answer. And that's going to be my 8, 8 over here. Plus 8, plus 8. That works at that. Let's try number 7 here. Number 7. Again, I like to use this x. I need to multiply to a negative 54. I need to sum to a positive 3. That's my ax squared plus bx plus c. C is 54. A is 1. 1 times negative 54, negative 54. B is 3. I know one's going to have to be positive, one's going to have to be negative. Got to be one positive, one negative to multiply to a negative. So let's start thinking about, oops, 54 here. It's going to be 1 times 54. Let's put a negative there. That sums to 53. Negative 2 times 27. That sums to, and these are positive sums, and I want a positive sum, so that's looking good. That sums to 25. 3 goes into 54. Negative 3 times 18. That sums to 15. I need a 3. 4 doesn't work. Double negative 2, half 27. That doesn't work because 27 is odd. 4 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. 6 goes in because 2 and 3 do. So you got negative 6 times, what's that going to be? 9. That adds up to, ooh, we shoot, we score. There's our 3. Okay. Oh, no, that's our double for 3. Cut the 18 in half for the 9. Gives us a nice answer there. So that's going to be b minus 6. B plus 9. That's my answer. Let's check it really quick. B squared, b times b first. Outer terms is plus 9b. Inner terms minus 6b. Last terms minus 54. That's 94. B squared plus 3b minus 54. That checks out. There's our answer. And we can see that negative 69. Oop, right down at the bottom there. There's our negative 69. These ones we have to solve. We're going to have to solve the equation first. We're going to factor it, then we use the multiplication property of 0. So I've got, on this one, I've got to multiply to 40. I've got to sum to negative 13. That's going to be two negative numbers. 5 times 8, that's going to be negative 5, negative 8. As you get better with mental arithmetic, you can pick those out. You don't always have to list them all out. Sometimes you can get the right ones. So that's going to be g minus 5 times g minus 8 equals 0. And I expect to see these next steps. You don't show these next steps, you are not going to get any credit for this. Just deal with it. So that's going to be, oh, if they multiply to 0, one of these has got to be 0. So g minus 5 equals 0, or g minus 8 equals 0, plus 5, g equals 5, or plus 8, g equals 8. You could also write that 5, 8 in brackets. Either way is good there. And there it is right up on top. Number 18. Now notice 13 we had equal to 0. To solve this I need an equal to 0. We like to keep this term positive, so that's good right now, so I'm going to leave that where it is. I'm going to minus 8, t squared minus 7t minus 8 equals 0. So I got to factor this. Now we're going to have those t's in there. I need to multiply to negative 8, add up to negative 7. That's going to be 1 times negative 8. That adds up to negative 7. 2 times negative 4 would add up to negative 2. So we got 1 and negative 8. T plus 1, t minus 8 equals 0. T plus 1 equals 0. T equals negative 1. T minus 8 equals 0. Add 8. T equals to 8. So we got t equals, my squiggly brackets, negative 1 and 8. Let's check up here. Well, 8 and negative 1 is the same thing. So we're looking good there. I've got these word problems started out here for us. They're on the challenging side. You can try to finish them off if you'd like. I got them with steps at the end. They're good ones to look at. Hopefully they make sense to you. We're at 11 minutes, so I'm going to call an end to this. Aloha. Have a good day, kiddos.